takes about 2 hours to go on the coastal road from Sendang to Senaru on the northern face of Mount Rinjani. If you want to see the mountain on the way, it's best to leave in the morning, because then skies are usually clear. Sendang Gile is pretty spectacular. The amount of water coming down off that waterfall is amazing. You can't stand up under it. Problem is though, you can't swim. We make our way along a side path and we head about another kilometre up to the Kelep waterfall. Here you can swim, in season. It's a great little walk through the jungle along the edge of water irrigation channels. Get a load of this waterfall, it's just amazing. You'll love it when you come. The water here ranges between really cold and cool. Lucky for us, it's a day when the water is cool and actually very pleasant to be in. Be careful of that main waterfall flow. You can get caught there and drown. There's a current, so just be aware of that and keep an eye on your kids. You can easily walk around to the ledge behind the waterfall and watch the view.
Many people come and swim with tubes here.
Yeah, you can go right up from the second waterfall, come down on the tubes and even go through the tunnels in it.
At the Rinjani Lighthouse in Senaru.
It's a lovely place here. There's 4 rooms that are double rooms with hot water, and we're staying behind us in this traditional cabin with 6 beds. It's got a kitchen, so we're very comfortable. It's quite a reasonable price as well. The lighthouse has several double rooms which are well appointed and very comfortable, but what is especially nice is the hot water that works really well. They're running a biogas project out the back, and that gas is used for lighting and for cooking. This kitchen is found in the 6-bed cabin. There's coffee, tea, gas stove where you can cook your own food if you so desire. There's 4 beds downstairs, they're comfortable and warm, and there's also a queen size bed in the Lombok, the traditional rice barn that you see in front of you now.